Welcome to TriLearn, Thermochemistry.
Welcome to TriLearn. Today we are discussing thermochemistry. Heat of reaction denoted as delta H. Heat energy or enthalpy absorbed or released in the chemical reaction. This is of two types: endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Endothermic reaction, heat energy is absorbed during the chemical reaction. Delta H is positive. Exothermic reaction, heat energy is released during the chemical reaction. Delta H is negative. So, factors affecting heat of reaction. Stoichiometry. Case 1. Here, reactant A is converting into product B. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H1 and reactant B is converting into product A. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H2. So, the relation between delta H1 and delta H2 is delta H1 is equal to negative of delta H2. Here basically we are reversing the reaction. They both are equal in magnitude but signs are different. Case 2. A is converting into B. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H1. A moles of A is converting into B moles of B. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H2. The relation between delta H1 and H2 is delta H2 equal to A into delta H1. Case 3. A is converting into B. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H1. B is converting into C. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H2. Finally, A is converting into C. In this process, heat of reaction is delta H3. The relation between these three is given by delta H3 is equal to delta H1 plus delta H2. Okay. Second factor which is affecting is temperature. Here Kirchhoff's equations are used. Kirchhoff's equation. At temperature T1, heat of reaction is delta H1 and delta U1. At temperature T2, delta H2 and delta U2. First Kirchhoff's equation is delta H2 minus delta H1 is equal to delta Cp into T2 minus T1. Here delta Cp is given by Cp of products minus Cp of reactants. Kirchhoff's equation is delta U2 minus delta U1 is equal to delta Cv of T2 minus T1. Delta Cv is given by Cv of products minus Cv of reactants.
Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.